This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Premiere Pro for video editing. First, open the application and familiarize yourself with the workspace. You'll see panels like the Project Panel, Source Monitor, Program Monitor, and Timeline. To begin, import your media by dragging files into the Project Panel or using File Import. Then, create a new sequence, perhaps with a common setting like 1920 by 1080 pixels at 24 frames per second, to start building your video. Now let's dive into basic editing. Use the Razor tool, shortcut C, to make precise cuts in your clips on the timeline. You can then select and drag clips to rearrange them, creating the narrative flow you desire. To smooth transitions between scenes, navigate to the Effects panel, find Video Transitions, and drag a dissolve or wipe effect onto the cut point. Experiment with different durations, typically between 1 and 2 seconds, for a polished look. Next, we'll enhance your project's audio and visuals. For audio, select a clip and adjust its volume in the Essential Sound panel, aiming for consistent levels, perhaps around -6 decibels. For visuals, apply basic color correction using the Lumetri color panel to adjust exposure, contrast, and saturation. Don't forget to add text overlays for titles or captions. Use the Type tool to create text boxes and customize their appearance in the Essential Graphics panel for clear communication. Finally, it's time to export your masterpiece. Go to File, Export Media. In the Export Settings window, choose a suitable format like H.264 for web sharing, which offers excellent quality at a manageable file size. Select a preset, such as YouTube 1080p Full HD, and ensure your output resolution matches your sequence settings. Click Export, and Premiere Pro will render your video, ready for you to share with the world in just a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.